mine.
Happy birthday, Mohit.
Happy birthday, Papa.
Happy birthday, Papa, even from Cooper.
Have the best day ever.
You're the best husband.
And the best father.
Love
Love
you.
you.
Correct, man. It's getting too formal.
Let's just be jungly.
After all,
It's Papa's birthday.
Happy birthday, Papa. Even the devils are partying for you today. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween.
Happy birthday, Chatabui.
I love you, Auntie. I want to be all with you. I love you. Come fast. We'll party again. Miss
Do
you.
it forever.
Bye. Love you.
Hey, MB. Happy birthday. Mwah. You're not with me on 31st October, but we'll be soon together. Yes, we will be partying very soon. However, just a small consolidation of all your friends and family wishes. In lockdown, this is a new trend, so why not for your birthday as well? Love you, enjoy your wishes, and listen, I love you. Love you, baby. Come fast.
I wanna be strong, strong, strong.
Happy birthday, Chacha.
हैप्पी बर्थडे मोहित, गॉड ब्लेस यू बेटा। भगवान करे हमेशा बहुत खुश रहो, खूब तरक्की करो। और मोहित, आप ना बहुत बहुत शाई नेचर के बच्चे थे शुरू से, लेकिन आपको चंचला इतनी रौनकी और इतनी अच्छी वाइफ मिली कि उसने आपकी को बिल्कुल चेंज कर दिया और अब आप हर पार्टी की रौनक दोनों बच्चे बनते हो। भगवान करे ऐसे ही रौनक लगाए रखो और खुश रहो। गॉड ब्लेस यू, लव यू बेटा।
Wish you a very, very happy birthday, Mohit. May your life be blessed with happiness and good health always. Enjoy your day. Have fun.
Hi, bhai. Wish you a very happy birthday. God bless you. Just keep smiling and shining as you always do. Have a fabulous day today and a rocking life ahead. Happy birthday once again.
आज 31 अक्टूबर है। आज 31 अक्टूबर है और जैसा कि हम सब मतलब हर साल मनाते हैं, हमारे प्रिय मोहित बत्रा की आज बर्थडे। और आज जो है, आज का दिन तो इतना शुभ दिन है कि महर्षि वाल्मीकि भी आज जन्मदिन मनाया जा रहा है। और सुनिए, अंग्रेज लोग भी हैलोवीन मना रहे हैं। तो इस खुशी का अवसर पर और चांद चांद लगाएगा हमारा मोहित बत्रा का बर्थडे। और मोहित बत्रा जी, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। और मोहित बत्रा जी, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Happy birthday, Mohit. तुम जियो
हजारों साल, साल में दिन हो 50,000। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू
मोहित।
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू मोहित।
Happy birthday to you. Love you, love you, love
मोहित,
you.
जब इंडिया आओगे तो जम के पार्टी होगी, हैप्पी बर्थडे की जम के पार्टी होगी।
Hooray.
हैप्पी हैप्पी हुर्रे हुर्रे।
Happy birthday.
हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday, Mohit. May you have lot of sweet moments and blissful memories, and wish you all the health and success in your life.
Mohit, wish you a very happy birthday. I hope that you have unprecedented success. Enjoy yourself. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chicaji. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you, Chicaji. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Chicaji. Happy
Hello Mohit, wish you a very very happy birthday. Happiness, prosperity and success. This is all I wish you on this day. May God give you all the prosperity and good luck in your life. Your uncle is also joining me in wishing you your birthday. God bless you and stay blessed. Bye.
Happy birthday, Mohit. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Mohit. Wish you all the best. And we can't be together because of pandemic, but we will celebrate soon. Enjoy yourself. Stay healthy. Stay safe.
Happy birthday, Mohit. Stay young, stay dashing, stay strong, stay loving always. Enjoy, Dhaka. And love you.
Happy birthday, Mohit. Keep celebrating life and let's celebrate again when we meet. Happy birthday once again. Have fun.
Hi Mohit, happy birthday to you. बहुत तरक्की करो बॉस. Wish you very very happy returns of the day. कल मिलते हैं. We will start the party again. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Hi Mohit, happy birthday. When you're coming back for the party, man, you can't just take a video clipping from us and get away. Wish you a fabulous birthday. Party due, and I can't find a better person who can match up with my friend's energy. Her plans, her enthusiasm, you're like perfect for her. So Sanjit,
if I give a chance to Sindhu, she'll keep on talking. So let me break in between and say, wishing you a very happy birthday, Mohit. Have a great time. Come back soon and let's party in Gurgaon. Okay?
happy birthday,
Bye.
dude.
Bye.
Mr. Mohit, wish you a very happy birthday. We'll cover up for the treat around Diwali. All the best. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Mohit. Have fun, buddy. Take care. Bye.
Birthday. Wish you all the very best and have a great day tomorrow.
Hi Mohit, my walking buddy. Wish you a very very happy birthday. We hope you enjoy your birthday tomorrow.
Hi Mohit, this one will come as a surprise. Wishing you a very very happy birthday, many happy returns of the day. Our association has been probably very recent, just turned into double digits. But I still remember the day that I met you first in London, and all the jugards you told me about, whether it was parking, whether it was dodgy box, whether it was whatnot in London, trying to see how you can survive as an Indian. Very, very helpful you have been. Really amazing to be associated with you, Chanchla, and the kids. So wishing you very, very happy birthday. Have a good one. Enjoy and have a blast. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Mohit.
Happy birthday, Mohit.
Stay happy, keep smiling, have a blessed year ahead.
And stay young.
हैप्पी बर्थडे. तेरे लिए कुछ पेश कर रहा हूँ. टिंग 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 टिंग. ये नहीं बजाऊंगा. असली वाला बजाता हूँ देख. अभी इतना ही है. अगले साल समर ऑफ 69 साथ में जैमिंग करेंगे.
बत्रा साहब, जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो. ये जो वीडियो है ये आपकी धर्मपत्नी के माध्यम से जा रहा है आपके पास, तो इसलिए इसमें गालियों की जो है कमी रहेगी. बट तुम समझ सकते हो हम तुम्हें कितने दिल से गालियाँ देते हैं और इतना ही दिल से हम तुम्हें प्यार करते हैं. तो कमीने, enjoy till I catch up with you next time and be ready. It will be something special. Take care.
Birthday to you,
Mohit.
Happy birthday to you,
Mohit.
Happy birthday, dear
Mohit Batra, it's your birthday. Congratulations. Anji bole.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, Mohit. The best in life, today and always.
Mr. Batra, it's your 50th birthday, I suppose. Yeah, right? No, 44th. Okay. So I have written a special English poem for you. And here it goes. Oh, twinkle, twinkle, a little star, how I wonder what you are. Happy birthday, dear friend. God bless you. And again, मैं थोड़ा सा Stay blessed. Cheers.
बत्रा साहब जन्मदिन मुबारक हो. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. 44th 44. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू मेरे लाल. जुग जुग जियो, लंबा जियो, ऊंचा जियो, छाती चौड़ा करके जियो. मिस्टर बत्रा, क्या है खतरा. विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. वी विल स्पीक अगेन एंड होप टू सी यू सून. आप ढाका में अकेले बैठे हैं पर मायूस मत होइएगा, हम आपके साथ हैं. ओहो बॉल उड़ गए. हाँ, हम आपके साथ हैं. आपको बहुत बहुत जन्मदिन के मुबारक हो. केक काटो, खाओ, खिलाओ और दारू की बोतल खींचो नीचे. विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. स्पीक सून. बाय.
Happy birthday to you. God bless you with long and prosperous and a healthy, wealthy and a happy life. Happy birthday, Mohit. God bless you.
Hi Mohit, happy birthday. It is so great that we are all back in touch with each other. My oldest memory of you is when we used to ride on our bicycles all around South Delhi and in Alaknanda. And when you all came to my birthday in 8th class and we played soccer downstairs in my house in Anupam Apartments. But anyway, hopefully we'll be able to catch up and meet and have fun again. Happy birthday, have a great day and a fantastic year. Bye.
तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000. Happy birthday, Mohit. Stay safe, stay blessed. Have a great year ahead. Hey Mohit, this is Shipra. Wish you a very, very happy birthday. I wish you a year full of happiness and good health. Have fun celebrating with your family. Take care.
Happy birthday, Mohit. May the bright colors paint your life and you be happy forever. May Guruji bless you always with all happiness and success in your life. Stay blessed. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, dear Mohit. Wish you everlasting joy and happiness. Have a great life ahead.
Hey Mohit, wish you a great year ahead. I am drinking and dancing for you today. Have a great year.
Hi Mohit, wish you a very, very happy birthday. Hope you and family are doing great. Enjoy your day, have fun and be safe. Hope to talk to you soon. Bye.
Hi, wish you a very, very happy birthday, Mohit. I hope you have a really great day. Take care. Bye.
Hi Mohit, wishing you a very happy birthday. All the best to you always. Have a great day and year ahead. Enjoy.
Just want to wish Mohit a very happy birthday all the way from Sydney. Hope you have a good time with your family and friends and looking forward to seeing you all probably early next year. Bye.
Happy birthday, dear Mohit.
Happy birthday, bhaiya. Enjoy your special day.
Have fun, buddy. Bye.
Hey, happy birthday to you. Hi. खूब मजे लूट रहे हो तुम वहाँ अकेले अकेले. बीवी को छोड़ दियो यहाँ पे और वहाँ पे गरबा डांडिया. हम तुम्हारे भालोबाशी रविंद्र संगीत का मजा लूट रहे हो तुम. हम देख रहे हैं. चलो हैप्पी पप्पी पटेल.
Wish you a happy
birthday, Mohit.
Cheers.
Happy birthday, Mohit. Cheers.
Miss you.
Miss you. Come soon. आजा भाई फटाफट.
हेलो मोहित और चंचला, आज मैंने बहुत सुंदर गुरुजी का दरबार सजाया है और आपको आशीर्वाद दे रहे हैं गुरुजी खुद. और आपको जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद हो और भगवान करे आप सलामत रहे हमेशा. तो हम गुरुजी की तरफ से, अपनी तरफ से, हम सारे ढाका के फ्रेंड्स की तरफ से, पाम ड्राइव के दोस्तों की तरफ से आपको जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद दे रहे हैं. भगवान करे आप हमेशा ऐसे ही हंसते और मुस्कुराते रहो. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, Happy birthday to Mohit. Happy birthday to you.
Mohit, wonderful to know about your birthday. You have a wonderful family, and I wish you a great and a very happy birthday. I would like to say a few lines. फूलों से महकता रहे हमेशा जीवन तुम्हारा, खुशियाँ चूमे कदम तुम्हारे, बहुत सारा प्यार और आशीर्वाद हमारा. Have a happy birthday and God bless you. Take care.
Hey Mohit, wish you a very happy birthday. I hope you're having a great time. I know it's been such a long time since we last met. I look forward to see you around too at some point, be it in India or maybe you guys make a plan here to Toronto. Keep rocking, keep being as awesome as you are. And again, wish you a very happy birthday and best wishes from all of us here in Canada. Till then, bye.